established 1954. 2 years before I was
Wala
born.
rin ako dyan.
Pero wala pa rin ako, pero malapit na. Si Rina Villamor ang wala pa noon, pero nandito siya ngayon.
Yes, definitely. I'm here in the games right now. An underdog tag may be too much of an understatement for this Visayan squad, who we all know is not a stranger to adversity right now, being the present CESAFI champions. According to Coach Lambuga, they are not pressured to win this game. What's important for them is to build maturity game after game. They have to take it one game at a time to learn and grow from every game. What's important is to play with pride, play without hesitations. At ang sabi ka ni Coach Lambuga kanina, being a winner in today's game is not based on the score, rather based on how they will perform in today's game. Back to you guys.
Well said. You know, we've seen teams like the University of St. LaSalle in Bacolod come over here and really mature and develop.
With Coach Roger Panzuela, of course.
Oh, no, we miss Coach Roger when he would patiently explain in Ilonggo to his team, kalayo gid sang imo nga spike, hatag mo dito bala sa baw, kalayo gid. Kinugod sang imo. And so delightful to have a nice national flavoring of different dialects. We look forward to the day when we'll have Kapampangan teams, Ilocano teams.
True.
Oh, in the meantime, that is on the money, and NU is slightly ahead, 9-8. Naglaro pa rin ng bukod sa national team ng mga prisa nung araw.
Oo.
And that was always fun going out of town, di ba?
Actually, before national UAAP.
Yes, right. In the meantime, the libero of San Carlos ended up stretching for that one. Ooh! Obrinque, who's the libero, said, ano ba naman buhay ito? And they've fallen behind by 3 now.
Ordas, with the help of the net, gets that point.
Some breaks going the way of NU here in the early goings. Ordas, nice serve. Obrinque. Bates spike being played out. De Leon dumps it over. Santiago De Leon. Pablo. Nice track done by Ordas. Pablo recycles.
Oh, great blocking from Praca. And that goes out.
Jaja stab a little too strong, too much wrist behind that. I guess the people also get a kick over the fact, as I remind you of Mikasa being our official ball in the V-League, they like watching these tall young ladies because they're so athletic as well at saka nakakatuwa silang gumalaw.
Right. And yung minsan kasi, dahil hindi tayo sanay sa very tall na ladies Filipinas, we think na baka mabagal, alam mo yun, hindi skillful.
True.
Pero no, dito sa mga volleyball players natin sa Pilipinas, sabi ko nga, now is the best time to form a national team.
Yes, knock to whoever. Diba? In the meantime, ball game at 12-10, opening set. We've seen din Santiago when she started out with UST, sat out for a year. She moved over to NU, of course. She was struggling actually to get the game under her control, managed to do so. And talk of control.
No struggle on that last play as Dindin Santiago nailing that one.
What a nice set by De Leon, and that was perfect.
Yes, alam mo, tamang-tama ang pagkuha nila kay Ruby De Leon. Coach Edjet Mabayad only knows na talagang pag itong dalawang to, yung mga spikers ng NU
You were saying?
ay mabigyan ng maayos na sets.
Pablo actually the regalo, pinakailaman ni Dadang, but you like that. You like that. They went for the ball rather than magsisihan later on, di ba?
Correct. And tingnan mo ang University of San Carlos, tuwan-tuwa na sila pag nadidig nila yung mga malalakas na palo nitong si Jaja at ni Dindin. Santiago Sisters at mga iba pang spikers ng NU, pero Pablo sending it into the net.
Ang NU making its presence felt. Their men's team has already won the men's side of the collegiate league.
Yan naman na na-expect natin, di ba, from NU, mula ng rebuilding stage nila as si Mr. Hansi nga nag-take over. So we kinda expected na hindi lang naman sa volleyball or sa basketball, but in all sports.
They were also champions in baseball last year. In the meantime, Dindin Santiago has a nice smile on her face. In fact, the athletic director of NU, Mr. Coach Jonel Baculi, is in the audience.
Yes, ay,
right?
napaka-supportive din niya.
Oh,
Lagi ko nakikita sa lahat ng
Kala mo
games
walang
niya.
kino-coach sa BBA team, ano ha?
Oo nga, totoo rin, pakasipag to watch all the games.
That'll stay down. That's a hard job to do, ha? Especially on weekends. I talked to Mark Molina of FU. Has to watch fencing in the morning, then later afternoon basketball.
But
Then, it's part of your
actually
job.
part of their job. Pero ang sarap naman ng
Oo
trabaho
naman.
nun.
Lalo na kung panalo.
Oo.
Or talo sa umaga, panalo sa hapon. The meantime, Santiago, Pablo, fourth touch. It's a double touch actually. 15-13. I was talking to the referees also. And they were, I think, in agreement. We rarely agree on things, but, why don't we have a national team with all this talent, really?
Dami, no?
Dami.
Kasi alam
So
mo,
much talent.
parang basketball din niya panapanahon, di ba? This is the right time for volleyball.
Yep.
A lot of players na pwede. In fact, sobra-sobra pa nga siguro.
Oh, we are in a surplus, actually. Pablo ending up wasting the opportunity, and San Carlos is knocking at the door, a new 14-15. Jesulga serve. Reyes steady at the back row. De Leon set for Urdas. Long.
Oh, and itong University of San Carlos, iniitay rin nila yung mga errors, no? Nitong
Good point, yes.
National University. At
They'll capitalize. They'll
yan
take
ang nga
it.
ang maganda, no? Yan ang maganda sa rally point system. Dahil kahit yung errors nung kalaban, nagiging puntos nyo. Oh.
Power. May snap na ngayon ang palo ni Dindin, ha?
Yes.
In the meantime, timeout, the technical timeout is in force. We do that at points 8 and 16. We'll be back.